Natutuwa sa sir?
Tignan na.
Tapos yung nakatsaga niya na,
Goging.
Caregivers need workspace that can be adjusted to fit their needs, like movable,
Butsi mo?
char, adaptable storage, and help us adapt.
Ikaw gabasa ta.
Okay, next. Flexible and adaptable environment.
Ergonomics, kumbaga.
Germany. As a Germany, control their workspace from adjusting, adapt the change for integrating electronic medical records to new medication delivery system. Sir, delivery system. So, pareho sa pharmacy, may kapalitan. So, amala siya.
Uy, explain.
So, sa pareho na server side, di ba yung station, kung wala siya bulong sa second floor na available.
Explain da, yun na.
Zing, ang bato.
Guys, di lang.
Kumain po sa pakas.
Sige na nga. Kamati ergonomic, aesthetically considered. Environments and more positive place.
Explain. Explain. May explanation na sa.
Understandable or explain mo yung resume.
Sige, go.
Hello, second, di ka may kinsigus ba?
Workspace that are ergonomic. Ay, di ba?
Ano ako gina?
Hindi ko po saan.
Ergonomic.
And comfortable, which improves their experience and creates a positive environment. Creates a positive environment for the caregiver. Next is space for collaboration.
Space.
Spaces manage. Ayan ako lang, sorry lang. Spaces for collaboration and heads down work.
Okay.
Collaborative work areas encourage staff to engage and provide dedicated space for research and administrative work. Privacy stream, sound devices, acoustic comfortable, efficient, diverse areas for teamwork and focused work with features like privacy screen and sound must be to support both collaborating and concentrated work.
That's all? That's all. Okay.
Sa mga